This video will show you how to download and install the recent 4.0 AVN Wallet. First, navigate over to avn.network under the Wallet tab and download the wallet. I'm gonna download mine for Windows. You can save it anywhere. Make sure you have WinRAR or 7-zip installed so you can extract it. Right click it and extract it. Once that's done, navigate inside bin and double click AVN-QT. Choose the default directory. Create a new wallet using the 12 seed words and accept. Generate some new seed words, and if you want, you can choose a passphrase to further protect your seed words. Accept. Afterwards, AVN, you can just allow access here. Afterwards, all that's left is for the wallet to catch up to the blockchain, but once it does inevitably finish, you will be able to see your transaction and use the wallet properly. If you have any questions or would like to follow the development of the network, join us on Discord. We're on every major platform that you use. Links in the description below.